Unlocking the potential of a master number. Life Path 33 demands a unique understanding of surrendering control. In this insightful exploration, we delve into the art of releasing control, uncovering its profound significance, and recognizing the telltale signs of surrender for those traversing Life Path Master number 33. Please take the things that resonate with you and reflect on those that doesn't. Surrender, particularly for those navigating the intricate paths outlined by the Life Path Master number 33, extends far beyond the mere act of yielding or capitulation. It encapsulates a profound state of conscious release, an artful embrace of trust, and an alignment with the cosmic symphony of the universe. Relinquishing control, in the context of Life Path 33, isn't about resignation or passivity. Rather, it signifies a profound acknowledgement of one's inherent power and an astute recognition of the harmony found in yielding to the natural flow of life. It embodies a dance between intuition and action, a nuanced understanding that surrendering control paradoxically leads to an amplified sense of purpose, compassion, and the unveiling of one's extraordinary potential within the grand tapestry of existence. Surrendering control resonates deeply with the inherent traits and energies of those walking the Life Path Master number 33, as it embodies the essence of compassion, guidance, and nurturing inherent to this master number. Individuals on this path possess a profound inclination towards serving others, often finding themselves in leadership or mentorship roles. Surrender aligns harmoniously with these traits, allowing them to transcend ego-driven control and instead embrace a more profound connection with the universal energies. It accentuates their intuitive capability, enabling them to tap into the collective consciousness and channel their empathetic nature towards fostering understanding and harmony. Surrender, for Life Path Master number 33 individuals, is an embrace of their higher purpose, channeling their energies into serving the greater good with wisdom and unconditional love. If you want to surrender control, start with cultivating self-trust. Cultivating self-trust is a transformative journey that requires a blend of introspection, mindfulness, and openness to the universe's guidance. It begins with acknowledging and honoring one's intuition, that subtle inner voice that whispers truths and nudges towards the right path. Techniques encompass practices such as journaling to decode thoughts, feelings, and patterns, meditation to silence the mind's chatter and tune into deeper wisdom, and affirmations that reinforce positive beliefs. Building trust in oneself involves embracing vulnerability, acknowledging limitations, and celebrating strengths. It's a symbiotic dance between self-assurance and surrender to the unknown, fostering the courage needed to release control and step into the flow of the universe's grand design. Have you ever experienced a moment when trusting your intuition led to a significant decision or outcome in your life? How did that experience shape your perspective on self-trust and surrendering control? Surrender, a profound act for individuals traversing Life Path Master number 33, acts as a transformative key unlocking a realm of liberation from the shackles of stress, anxiety, and emotional burdens. Embracing surrender liberates these individuals from the constraining grip of incessant control, allowing them to tap into their innate wellspring of wisdom and compassion. As they release the need to micromanage every facet of life, a profound sense of ease washes over, dissipating the weight of anxiety. This newfound freedom from emotional burdens provides the space for their inherent wisdom to emerge, guiding decisions with clarity and depth. Through this liberation, Life Path 33 individuals radiate a compassionate presence, offering solace and understanding to others, as they now stand anchored in their authenticity and connection to the universal flow. Surrendering control, contrary to conventional belief, acts as a profound catalyst for enhancing manifestation capabilities. When individuals relinquish their grip on trying to micromanage every aspect of life, they open themselves to the vast, abundant flow of the universe. This surrender doesn't signify weakness, but rather a powerful alignment with the cosmic currents of abundance and opportunities. It's in this state of release that individuals attuned to the universal flow effortlessly attract what serves their highest good. By letting go, they create space for serendipitous occurrences, synchronicity, and unexpected blessings to manifest in their lives, enriching their experiences in ways that wouldn't have been possible with a clenched grip on control. Recognizing the subtle yet profoundly transformative signs of surrender often unveils a tapestry of inner peace, fostering an unshakable serenity amidst life's turbulence. It manifests as a profound acceptance of the present moment, where worries about the future or regrets of the past gently dissipate. Moreover, surrender heralds an effortless sense of flow, where actions and decisions seem guided by an invisible yet undeniable force, aligning seamlessly with the rhythm of the universe. This surrender is not passive resignation, but an active embrace, a conscious choice to let go of control, allowing Life Path 33 individuals to navigate existence with an unparalleled grace and a profound sense of connectedness to the cosmic symphony of life. Surrender, when embraced by Life Path 33 individuals, acts as an empowering catalyst, nurturing an unparalleled adaptability and resilience in navigating life's intricate tapestry of challenges. Through surrender, these individuals gain a profound understanding that true strength lies not in rigid control but in the art of graceful adaptation. It allows them to flow effortlessly amidst the ebb and flow of life's circumstances, fostering a resilient spirit that thrives in the face of adversity. This surrender-driven adaptability becomes a guiding force, enabling them to dance through life's complexities with an inherent grace, poise, and an unwavering sense of purpose, embracing each challenge as an opportunity for growth and evolution. Surrendering control serves as an alchemical catalyst for the extraordinary personal growth and spiritual evolution that beckons Life Path Master number 33 individuals. Embracing this act of release isn't an abandonment of power, but a profound recognition of interconnectedness with the universe. As they relinquish the grip on rigid plans and expectations, these individuals unfurl their inherent gifts of empathy, compassion, and leadership. This surrender unravels the cocoon of limitations, allowing their potential to blossom and permeate various facets of life. With each relinquished ounce of control, they soar higher on the wings of intuition, tapping into an inner wisdom that steers them toward a purpose-aligned existence. Through surrender, Life Path Master number 33 individuals ascend to greater spiritual heights, magnifying their innate abilities to nurture, guide, and harmonize the world around them. If you want to learn more about numerology, spiritual and personal growth, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Surrendering control is akin to tuning into the cosmic symphony of life, harmonizing the individual notes to resonate in unison with the collective melody. In this dance of surrender, an individual not only finds inner alignment but also discovers a profound connection to the world at large. At its core, the act of relinquishing control allows one to shed the weight of personal agendas and ego-driven desires. It opens doors to a deeper understanding of interconnectedness, where the boundaries between self and others blur, giving rise to empathy and compassion. Within oneself, surrender fosters a serene equilibrium. It quietens the chaotic chatter of the mind, inviting in a sense of peace that transcends the everyday hustle. By releasing the grip on outcomes and embracing the present moment, individuals on this journey find solace in the simplicity of being. However, the true magic of surrender lies in its ripple effect on the collective tapestry of humanity. As individuals attune themselves to this state of surrender, they become beacons of light, illuminating paths for others. This surrender isn't a passive act, but a catalyst for inspired action and meaningful contributions. By aligning with the greater flow, individuals discover their role in the interconnected web of existence. This newfound clarity sparks a sense of responsibility, a call to serve, uplift, and contribute positively to the world. Empowered by surrender, they lead with empathy, kindness, and a deep understanding of shared experiences. This connection to the collective is transformative. It fosters unity amidst diversity, where differences cease to divide and instead become threads weaving together the vibrant tapestry of humanity. It's in this unity that the true potential for progress, innovation, and positive change thrives. Surrender, therefore, is a beacon of hope. It invites individuals to move beyond the confines of the self, to embrace a broader vision that transcends personal gain. It inspires collaborations, initiatives, and movements that uplift community, nurture the environment, and advocate for social justice. In essence, surrendering control isn't an act of weakness, but a testament to inner strength and trust in the interconnected web of life. It's a transformative journey that begins within, creating ripples that extend far beyond the individual, a harmonious symphony that uplifts humanity, one surrendered soul at a time. In the intricate tapestry of life, the concept of surrender often gets misunderstood as an act of giving up or resignation. However, for the individuals walking the path guided by Master number 33, surrender embodies a deeper and more profound meaning, an art that leads to empowerment, enlightenment, and an unparalleled connection with the universe. Mastering surrender isn't about succumbing to external forces or relinquishing personal power. Instead, it's a conscious and intentional embrace of trust, intuition, and the natural ebb and flow of the cosmos. Those traversing Life Path 33 understand this inherent truth. Surrender isn't a weakness, but a gateway to unlocking their fullest potential. At its core, surrender is a dance with the universe, a harmonious choreography where one learns to let go of the need for rigid control and instead flows effortlessly with the rhythms of existence. For the Master number 33 individuals, this act of surrender becomes a key to unlock their innate abilities and gifts, allowing them to tap into their boundless potential. By relinquishing the grip on control, these individuals create a sacred space within themselves, a space where trust reigns supreme, intuition becomes a guiding compass, and the universal flow orchestrates every step they take. It's in this space of surrender that their true essence blooms, fostering a profound connection not only with themselves but also with the world around them. This connection transcends the ordinary. It's a magnetic force that draws in wisdom, compassion, and a deeper understanding of their purpose in the grand symphony of life. Through surrender, Master number 33 individuals find themselves effortlessly aligning with their life's mission and contributing meaningfully to the collective tapestry of humanity. In the art of surrender, there lies a transformative power, a power that liberates from the shackles of doubt, fear, and limitation. It's a pathway to liberation, where self-discovery intertwines with spiritual evolution, and personal growth becomes a testament to the potency of surrender. The journey of surrender for those guided by Master number 33 isn't a solitary pursuit. It's a harmonious integration of self-awareness, compassion, and cosmic alignment. It's about learning to navigate the intricate dance between individual will and divine guidance, leading to a state of profound harmony within themselves and the world. Dear Master number 33, in embracing the art of surrender, you will illuminate a path for others, a path that celebrates the beauty of trust, the wisdom of intuition, and the magnificence of flowing with the universe. For you, surrender isn't just an act, it's a way of being that unlocks the doors to boundless possibility and a deeper connection to the vastness of existence. If you want to learn more about the art of letting go, please watch the next video. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.